This 2-minute mindset is how to write emails that get replies. Now, I recently helped a friend with an interview for a job she really wanted. I read the email she was sending to her prospective employer, and one thing really stood out. She'd mentioned the words I, me, and my over 20 times in this short email. The reader of that email probably wasn't sitting at her desk waiting for an email that spoke repeatedly about a stranger's wants, nearly as much as she wanted to find someone to solve her problems. So I asked my friend to revise the email and see things from her potential boss's perspective. She agreed, although she said it was really hard to do. It was a radical change. She sent it off that night and was blown away. This busy executive actually replied back to her that same night. She said that's never happened before in her entire career. Now, after giving this advice, I took a look at my own communication and noticed I used the words I, me, and my constantly. So I decided to take my own advice and be more conscious of the way I send emails. It's a little thing that makes a big difference over time. Changing your words to focus on them and not you tells people they're more important than you are. And that will get more people replying to you faster than just about anything. So check your email before sending and see if you can shift the focus from you to them. It might surprise you. Hey, thanks again for watching. Like, admire, subscribe. See you next time.